blessing. Shit was hard, I learned my lessons. OGs gave suggestions. Shit was hard, man, I was stressing. Thanking God it was a blessing. Got a job, it was a blessing. Got a rob, it was a blessing. Problem solved, yeah, that's a blessing. I made it out, it was a blessing. Shit was hard, I learned my lessons. OGs gave suggestions. Shit was hard, man, I was stressing. Thanking God it was a blessing. Got a job, it was a blessing. Got a rob, it was a blessing. Problem solved, yeah, that's a blessing. Sipping lean like I'm from Texas. Hey, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Al back with another video today, man. We got a banger for y'all, man. So before we get into it, this is not a sponsored video, but like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, follow me on Instagram. I'm working on Facebook right now too, so y'all go follow that. But it's not really like ready in the ready stages. But like I said, this is not a sponsored video. Today we're gonna be reviewing the Dragy. Basically like a what you call it? It's a drag strip without a drag strip. You get your 0 to 60 time and 60 to 130, and really just to see where your car is. My car pretty much stock, just got mufflers and resonator delete, so straight pipe. Yeah, I'm gonna try to find a back road or something that we can use, and then I'm gonna set this up, and then y'all will be looking at that screen. I already tested this thing out. I've probably had it for like 2.5 weeks now, and I can tell you this shit, it's fun as hell, because this joint is lit. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and find, let me see, where can I go? Because I'm on Milo right now. We ain't doing this on Milo. But I'm gonna throw in a little clip when it had an old clip. Hey, it's crazy. But anyway, Dragy is ready to get it done. Damn, man, me launching it is worse than me just slamming it. Maybe it's because the tire's cold, I'm not sure. Yeah, man, me launching it was probably just as bad as me easing into it. I think easing into it is gonna always be the slowest time, but I'm gonna turn around and then I'm gonna just slam on the gas and see what it do, bro. I think if you look up the stats on this car, the numbers are supposed to be 5.5. So I got a 5.8 with me, a 5.7 with me launching it, and then I just got a 5.8 with me easing into it. So I'm gonna hit this U-turn, and then we're gonna do that last pull, and then that's gonna be it for this video, man. If you enjoyed it this far, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, because I got some more bangers on the way. I got my boy Zeus, his 22. We're gonna do a full review on that. We just gotta get our schedules aligned. But yeah, man, we out. I made it out, it was a blessing. Shit was hard, I learned my lessons. OGs gave suggestions. Shit was hard, man, I was stressing. Thanking God it was a blessing. Got a job, it was a blessing. Got a rob, it was a blessing. Problem solved, yeah, that's a blessing.